Good morning, students. Today, under working with MS Access 2010, the topic which we're going to cover is creating database. Microsoft Access allows us either to create a new database from the scratch or create a database by using pre-installed templates. Access provide many automated wizards that help in making database, tables, forms, reports, etc. So let's proceed with creating blank database. Step 1. Let's now start by opening MS Access. We have to click on MS Access and the first getting started window you can see in this way. From there we have to select the blank database and have to write a name. Otherwise the default will be database with a number only, but we can able to change the name of our database from file name. Step 2. Select a blank desktop database, enter the name and click the create button. Then we have to click on create button. Step 3. Access will create a new blank database and will open up the table which is also completely blank. So when you click on create, you can able to see this kind of window in front of you with the number of rows and columns, where there you can able to enter the values. Now views of table. There are basically two types, design view and datasheet view. So what is design view? A design view is a means of organizing design information. It expresses a design in terms of a set of design entities. A complete design describes all design entities and their attributes. So you can see this image showing design view. Here you can enter the field name, their data types and their description. The design view is also divided into two parts, that is field grid pan and field property pan. In field grid pan, and that is in the first one, you can define the field name, their data types and their description. That is on the top. Field name you can fill, its data type and then further description. And the second part is field property pan, and this section is used to set properties for the fields defined in the table. Next is datasheet view. Datasheet view refers to the row-wise and column-wise viewing of data in the table in database applications such as spreadsheet, Access, Excel and so on. The information pertaining to individual record is provided in individual row and attributes related to that record is given in corresponding columns. Here you can see the datasheet view. um, Datasheet view is used to enter the data in the table, and when you double click the table name in the navigation pane, it opens the table in the datasheet view. That is, datasheet view is the default view of MS Access. Whenever you open, so this datasheet view always comes first. Later on you can switch to design view also. So how to switch between views? Switching between views. One easy way to switch between the views by clicking the drop down arrow next to the view button on the toolbar. It is the leftmost button, and then select the view you want from the drop down list that appears. Means out of two you can select any one according to your wish. Another way to switch between view is show in the following steps. First, open the view menu. Second, select the table, design or data sheet depending on which you are currently in. And if you're moving from table design to data sheet view, you may be asked to save your work. If so, click on yes.